Hi, today in front of me TCL 405 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. Just if you want to give a name to the folder or renamed it, enter the name by this way or just stop and enter the new one. If you want to move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold the folder and drag it. To remove application from here, you should hold and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app on the home screen, but if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.